What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having a great day. So in today's video, if you couldn't already tell, we're washing and detailing the Dodge Dakota because it hasn't been washed in over a year. If you guys missed the rebuild series on this truck, be sure to go back and watch it. I'll link a video or possibly the whole playlist up in the corner, and I recommend you guys go back and watch the whole story and figure out what happened. But on another note, on today's video, we are going to be washing the Dakota and try to get all that dirt off, and then after that detail the interior, clean the wheels up a bit because it's just been filthy. It's been over a year since any cleaning has been done on my truck, and very excited to get it clean for once because I've been looking at a dirty truck for pushing a year now. So guys, for the first soap wash I'm actually going to use Dawn soap because I didn't want to use a normal car wash because it has wax inhibitors in it. I'm trying to break down all the grease and all the leftover waxes in the previous wax jobs that it had. And I just want to start with fresh paint, and this will really help do the trick because I didn't have an actual wax stripper soap. So this is the next best thing. Well guys, I have to say, this came out really nice for its first soap wash down. It's really nice to see that blue shining again because it had a good layer of dirt and grime on it. Got the majority of it washed off. You know, there's a few areas I'm going to have to touch up, but I'm very happy to get the majority of it off. So I think the next thing I'm going to do is actually wash down my wheels because they're pretty cruddy. So after that, then we'll get onto the finer detailing stuff because it's probably going to get dark on me here soon. So let's get to working on those wheels right now. So I just finished up cleaning all the wheels. Came out really good. I still have to wipe them down with a towel to get any residuals off and spray that tire shine. But let me show you guys what I used in case you were curious. So for the cleaner, just use this Surf City Garage tire and wheel cleaner. Safe on every wheel. And then for the brush, I used the lug nut brush. So that way, you know, these are movable and flexible. So you can, you know, put it around the lug nut and get all the corners as well as, you know, the whole wheel. I still have to clean the actual tire, really scrub out all that grit from the rubber. And after that, I'll let them dry, probably overnight. And then tomorrow, I'll shoot the tire black and really make them pop. And it looks really good against the chrome. So in case you were wondering as well, the wheels are aluminum, but they're chromed. So I have to do a little maintenance on them actually, but that'll be a future video. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Almost hit that 2,000 mark. It's crazy to believe, but you know, just gonna keep growing. And thanks to you guys, I'm able to do so. So make sure you're subscribed and let's get back to work. And well, it just dawned on me that when I clean these tires, I actually cleaned them the day before I wrecked it 1 year ago. So when I clean them right now, that much dirt and grime really didn't come out of them because I really haven't driven it since. But at least I got the surface dirt off of them. You know, the one back wheel was pretty bad from it sitting, but it'll give me a clean surface to work with. So other than that, I guess all that's left on the wheels is to spray the tire shine. So I'm gonna let them dry. And like I said before, I'll probably spray the tire shine tomorrow. So let's jump on to the next cleaning part right now. So I've seen a lot of people make this mistake. They invest all this time and put all this effort into cleaning up their car, and it looks really good on the outside, but just to come to open up the door and you forget to clean the door jambs. So I'm gonna get on that. You can see you got a lot of crud built up. It almost looks like moss. That's pretty disgusting. So I'm gonna wipe down these door jambs real quick, and then we'll be on to the next thing. So guys, as you can see, the next part that I cleaned was my tonneau cover. Just used some Dawn and a kind of sturdy brush and really scrubbed it in there and let it soak a while. And it seemed to get a lot of the dirt out that's, you know, just been sitting on there. I guess the next step is I'm gonna put some sort of sealant on there. I know in the past I actually used tire shine, and that actually seemed to work pretty well. I might do that again, or I might go out and get something new, not sure yet. But it is getting dark on me here, so I'm probably just gonna let the truck dry overnight, and I'll just catch you guys tomorrow, and we'll get on to the next part that we're gonna clean up in detail. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right guys, next day here. So as you can see, I got the truck pulled back into the driveway. So we're gonna knock out all the interior cleaning. We're gonna vacuum it out, clean all the glass, and then I'm gonna spray that tire shine that I said yesterday that once my tires dried, I was gonna spray it on there. So I think I'm gonna knock all of that out all at once. So let's get to work. Well guys, I think spraying that tire black on there is gonna wrap up this video. You know, it really made the tires pop a lot better than they were before. It kind of quickly went through the vacuuming. I vacuumed out the interior as well as the bed and cleaned up my windows, as well as taking off my old decals because they were just peeling and fading away anyways. So maybe it's time for some new ones, we'll see. And I kind of sped up those clips because I think it's self-explanatory how to do that kind of stuff. I'm not a professional car detailer by any means, so if there's professional car detailers in the comments of YouTube, which there's always seems to be professionals in the YouTube comments, don't be too hard on me. This is doing what I think's right, and I think it came out pretty good in my opinion. So let me know what you guys think down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More videos are yet to come. Got a big update, a little negative actually, on one of the biggest builds on our channel, the diesel. I think you guys know. So stay tuned for that. You definitely don't want to miss it. So there's going to be some new changes coming to the channel with that truck. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you're not already. Again, almost at that 2,000 mark, very close to it. I know we can do it, guys. Thank you for the support. Drop me a thumbs up, and I think we'll just catch you guys in the next video. So I'm just going to end it with the usual. Always accelerate and don't look back. I'll catch you guys on the next one.